What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna do something on the EK hatch. As I think you've already seen the other videos that we had on this channel. We're on the boys, baby. Yes, I got this from a mail. Show you this package right here. So as you guys can probably tell from the title of this video, we're gonna make the hatch have its power windows, but don't judge me because it's just, I got it from eBay. So yeah, we're gonna install it today and we're gonna try to make a video for that. And we're not gonna do it here because, so you can see the space, no space at all here. So we're gonna head to Gab's place because he has a bigger garage than this one. And yeah, I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, change of plans. My boy hit me up and we're gonna wait for him to get ready and we're gonna pick him up because he said he wants to come to help to install this power window. And by the way, I hope you like the little cold start that I did for you guys. So right, I'll see you on Gab's place. Good morning.
Morning.
Just made it to Jomel's place. What's up, boy?
What up, boy?
What are you doing? Alright guys, so just made it to my boy JM's place. I'm gonna pick him up because he's gonna help out install the power window kit. He also has an EK hatch. I'll show you guys. There. That's his EK hatch. It's currently on primer. We rattle can the whole car with primer. There, it's in progress. So probably we're gonna paint this next week, I hope. So it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be done maybe next week. And also this is brother's car. It's a Honda Civic sedan. Right there, and they both have P1 Buddy Club wheels. Yeah, right there. What's the other one?
Mine is dirty though.
Yeah, I know, bro. There you go.
Mine is dirty.
P1 Buddy Clubs, baby. Yep. Alright, so we're gonna head on to my boy Gab's place because fuck, what happened? My garage is fucking no space at all to work. So yeah, we're gonna head on there and start the install for you guys. I'll see you right there. What's up, guys? Just made it to my boy Gab's place because as you can see is a bigger garage than mine. But problem is two cars are inside, so I think we're still gonna work in the driveway. It doesn't matter. Can get the job done. So I think we're gonna start by unboxing the package for you guys so you can see what's inside. Let's open this package for you guys. It's like opening Christmas present. What they give. Yeah.
But off the street.
Off the street. Damn, eBay.
The power windows.
Alright, so here's the box that it came with. Says here power window kit. I think this is
universal.
two-doors. Yeah, it's
two-doors.
yeah, it's universal. So any car that has this old shit like this one, you can probably install this one onto pretty much any cars that have that. So
Only for 2 doors.
yeah, because it's two-doors. But I think you can get a kit that has
yeah,
four
four
doors.
doors, yeah.
So here's the box. It comes with, I think, the switches as well. So right here says, yeah. So let's see what's inside. Wow. Damn. Oh shit. Fuck. Okay, there we go. So it comes with, these are the motors right here. It's flexible, so you can pretty much fit this inside. I think just find a spot where to put it. That's why they made it flexible enough to find a good spot for it, so it won't hit anything when you put the door cards back. So here's the wires. Comes with 2 motors and all the hardware that it's gonna need to install. So here's more wiring inside, and oh, here I'll show you the switches. Here, can you come closer? These are the switches. So here you're gonna put this inside, and I think it lights up too, so even in the dark you can see the switches, so it's gonna be no problem in that. It comes with all the adapters you put inside here, everything. These are the I think the delete caps for the old winder, so we won't be able to see the metal sticking out and the door cards. And comes with user's manual. So fuck this, we're not gonna read this, we're just gonna wing it. I don't know.
That's how we do it.
That. Yeah, that's how we do it. And I think this is the if you already gone and removed the winder, because you don't have a way to wind it up, it's just gonna put it in and help you wind up the windows down or up. So yeah, that's all it is. And I think we're gonna start in the driver's side first, because I think it would be nice to have power windows in the driver's side. Alright guys, so we have to install the power windows, we have to take off the door cards. It has 2 screws, I think, just one here and one inside here, and I think one inside here. Take this off right here, and the speakers, three screws here, and the rest will be just clips all around this door card. So after you remove the all the screws that's in here, just pry it out and this door card will be taken off. So I don't want to bore you guys with taking this up, so I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse.
Okay guys, it's your guy here, Jovel. I'm stealing his vlog right now. I'm taking over his vlog. As you can see, he's right there. I'm just gonna annoy him for the rest of his vlog right now. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna start on the other side while he's doing his job on the other one. So it's gonna ease off a little bit of his work.
Take off your mask, Batman.
No, the mask is very valuable. It's safe for now for coronavirus. So I'm gonna take over his vlog. I'm gonna start on this one, on this side, while he's doing the driver's side. So we'll see how we go.
Over the vlog. So, what are you doing?
I'm trying to annoy Kevin. Shut up. Fuck you.
What kind of position is that, Kevin?
It's a fucking Amazon. No.
Look at this boy.
Shut up. I'm trying to annoy Kevin.
Sean's eating. How's the food?
Hey Kevin. Hey
Get up,
Kevin.
bitch.
Look at this. So we're currently doing the other side. The other one's finished. Is it finished? Look at this sexy boy.
You like that ass, subscribers?
That booty though.
Get out.
Yummy.
So juicy.
Power window.
Okay guys, so just an update of what's happening.
I'll show you guys.
Now, it's already working. It's in the process now.
Yeah, so I'll show you how it works.
Easy.
See, there's two switches. All the way up. All the way down. There you go, baby. eBay.
eBay
Shout out
for
to
the win.
eBay. If you're watching this, please sponsor us because, you know, we're broke boys.
Okay, so the driver's side is already finished. We're just going to start on the passenger side now. Wiring for the driver's side is already done. We're only going to do the wiring, run it through to go over this side. And then that Sean, he actually just pulled up before his car. Right there, that's his car. So he just pulled up and Gab is still an annoying person. So he still annoy us for the rest of this vlog. But he makes a good coffee, so he makes a good coffee, so yeah.
If anyone wants a coffee, hook me up.
So we're just pulling finalizing this side and then we move on to the next one. Alright, see ya.
What's up, guys? So we just finished installing the power window. It's all back together. All good. There we go. It's now working. Right there. Right there. So I think it took us about 4 hours of work to get this done for both passenger and driver window. And it's, I think if I rate the job from 1 to 10, maybe 5 or 6, because Honda Civic door jambs are pretty tight. So the only problem is putting the wires through the from the fuse box inside and out through the door. So that's the only major issue that we run into, but we got it done. 4 hours, not bad. It's a eBay power window kit. So might end the vlog right here, and yeah, say thanks to the mates. Thank you, bro. Thank you. We got Gab right here. Thank you, bro.
Oh, good, bro.
Thank you. Where's Sean? Oh yeah, right there.
Hey, man.
Thank you, bro. There's Sean. All right.
Sure thing, man.
Catch us to the next video. Boys, say goodbye to the vlog.
Do this.
Yeah, ladies, man.
Later.